Is it time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? In this video, we will explore NVIDIA in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies around the world today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of February, 2025, our system has classified NVIDIA as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.69. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a decline of 13.69%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.71% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower range of a broad and descending trend in the short term, which often represents an attractive buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $112.15 is breached, it will likely signal an increased rate of decline. The present 3-month trend implies a potential decrease of approximately 8.65% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 11.68% and positive 8.93%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 51.72%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 49.48% to 106.19% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within the range of $173.38 to $239.16. Our latest daily update for NVIDIA includes the headline, NVIDIA stock upgraded to sell candidate. The NVIDIA stock price gained 1.69% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 4th of March, 2025, rising from $114.06 to $115.99. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.35%, ranging from a low of $110.11 to a high of $119.30. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 16.79% during this period. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 10 million shares, with a total of 395 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $45.83 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $153.13, while the lowest was $75.61. Currently, the stock price is 24.25%, or $37.14, below the 52-week high of $153.13, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. NVIDIA Corporation is currently facing scrutiny as Braunstein, Gewirtz & Grossman, LLC initiates an investigation into allegations against the company, inviting investors to participate. This investigation introduces a layer of uncertainty that could weigh on short-term investor sentiment and thus affect the stock price negatively as investors react to potential legal risks. Compounding this, the Schall law firm is also seeking investors to join a fraud investigation related to NVIDIA. Such legal concerns may create volatility, leading investors to hedge their positions or seek alternatives, potentially exerting downward pressure on the stock. In contrast, analysts continue to recommend NVIDIA as a strong buy option following the company's fourth-quarter earnings report, which indicated significant long-term potential, especially in artificial intelligence and data centers. Even amidst a market correction, where the overall market has dipped nearly 10% recently, some investors feel the time is right to buy NVIDIA shares at a dip, supported by bullish sentiment regarding AI applications in emerging technologies. Despite the current tumult, several analysts maintain a positive outlook for NVIDIA, arguing that fears surrounding an AI-driven slowdown might be exaggerated. The overall assessment suggests a mixed short-term outlook due to legal investigations, contrasted by a strong long-term potential, which could provide a resurgence in investor confidence and stock price recovery as markets stabilize. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVIDIA an overweight rating while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, February 26, 2025, Tigress Financial also rated NVIDIA as a buy with a hold action. On Sunday, the 2nd of February 2025, Citigroup reported a buy rating for NVIDIA, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 13th of January 2025, HSBC gave NVIDIA a buy rating while implementing a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January 2025, Oppenheimer issued an outperform rating for NVIDIA, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NVIDIA stock an overall buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have designated the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for NVIDIA. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.69%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. There were also some negative signals issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The NVIDIA stock is presenting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $123.30 and $130.63. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. NVIDIA finds support from accumulated volume at $114.06. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and given the good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $9.19 between its high and low, representing an 8.35% change. In the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 8.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NVIDIA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal and is often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 92 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA is at $118.42. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NVIDIA encounters its first support level at $114.06. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NVIDIA from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Crest Colette conducted an insider sell of 64,080 shares of common stock. On the 6th of January, 2025, Puri IJK conducted an insider sell of 12,500 shares of common stock. On the 6th of January, 2025, Puri IJK conducted an insider sell of 23,772 shares of common stock. On the 6th of January, 2025, Puri IJK conducted an insider sell of 190 shares of common stock. On the 7th of January, 2025, Puri IJK conducted an insider sell of 96 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 97.172. Overall, insiders purchased 99,852 shares and sold 8,145,936 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? NVIDIA currently exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will continue to be weak in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Our analysis has been revised from a strong sell to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 5th of March, we expect NVIDIA to open lower by 86 cents and begin trading at $115.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.